As a project management expert, I often get asked about the costs associated with various tools, and ClickUp is a frequent topic. It's a powerful and flexible platform that can revolutionize how teams manage their work, but understanding its pricing structure is essential to make an informed decision for your project or organization. So, let's break down the question. How much is ClickUp per month? The answer isn't a single number, as ClickUp offers several pricing tiers designed to cater to different team sizes and feature requirements. The cost typically depends on two main factors: the number of users and the chosen plan tier. It's important to note that while prices are often quoted per user, per month, you can often get a significant discount, usually around 30%, by opting for annual billing instead of monthly. Let's explore each of ClickUp's main plans, what they offer, and their approximate monthly costs when billed monthly for easier comparison. 1. Free Forever Plan. The entry point, cost, $0 per user, per month. This is where many individuals and small teams start their ClickUp journey, and it's remarkably generous for a free offering. Who it's for? Individuals managing personal tasks or small side projects. Very small teams, e.g. 2 to 3 people with basic project management needs. Anyone who wants to thoroughly explore ClickUp's interface and core functionalities before committing to a paid plan. What you get: unlimited tasks. You can create as many tasks as you need. Unlimited members. Unusually generous for a free plan, you can invite unlimited members to your workspace. 100 megabyte storage, sufficient for basic document and file attachments for smaller projects. Basic views. Access to fundamental views like list, board, Kanban, and calendar, which are essential for most project tracking. Collaborative docs and whiteboards. Basic functionality for creating and collaborating on documents and visual brainstorming. Basic time tracking. You can track time spent on tasks. Limited automations. You get a certain number of automation actions per month, typically around 100, enough for simple workflows. 24/7 support. A nice perk for a free plan. Limitations. While very robust, the Free Forever plan has limits on storage, advanced features like comprehensive reporting or detailed permissions, and the number of certain elements like custom fields or advanced views. For growing teams or complex projects, you'll quickly find yourself needing more. 2. Unlimited plan. Stepping up for small teams. Cost: approximately $10 per user, per month. This is ClickUp's first paid tier and is often the sweet spot for small to medium-sized teams that have outgrown the Free Forever plan. Who it's for? Growing small teams, e.g. 5 to 20 people. Teams that need more storage and access to a broader range of features. Projects requiring more detailed tracking and reporting. What you get: everything in Free Forever plus unlimited storage. No more worrying about file sizes. Unlimited integrations. Connect ClickUp with your favorite tools: Slack, GitHub, Google Drive, etc. seamlessly. Unlimited dashboards. Create customizable dashboards to monitor project progress and team performance. Unlimited custom fields. Tailor your task information to precisely fit your project's needs. Unlimited Gantt charts, visual timelines for project scheduling and dependency tracking. Goals and portfolios. Set organizational goals and track progress across multiple projects. Resource management. Get a better understanding of your team's workload and capacity. More automations. A significantly higher number of automation actions per month, e.g. 1,000, allowing for more sophisticated workflow automation. Guest permissions. Crucial for collaborating with external clients or contractors while controlling what they can see and do. Value proposition. The unlimited plan provides excellent value for its price, unlocking a vast array of features that truly empower small teams to manage complex projects effectively. The unlimited nature of many key features makes it a strong contender against competitors at similar price points. 3. Business plan. For mid-sized and scaling teams. Cost: approximately $19 per user, per month. The business plan is designed for mid-sized teams or departments that require more advanced features, enhanced security, and greater control over their workspace. Who it's for? Medium-sized businesses or departments. Teams requiring advanced time tracking, reporting, and security features. Organizations with more complex workflows and compliance needs. What you get, everything in Unlimited Plus. Advanced automations. Even more automation actions, e.g., 10,000 per month, for highly automated workflows. Advanced time tracking. Features like time estimates, timesheets, and granular time tracking. Workload management. Deeper insights into team capacity and resource allocation. Google SSO, single sign-on for easier and more secure user authentication. Custom exporting. More flexibility in exporting your data. Unlimited teams. Organize your users into unlimited teams with specific permissions. Consideration. The business plan provides the comprehensive features needed for organizations that are scaling and need more robust management tools. It offers a balance between advanced capabilities and affordability.